Well, it is a great pleasure for me to be here. This is my first time in the Syrian Arab Republic, and we can see with our own eyes that the international terrorism was significantly destroyed. And we can see with our own eyes that streets are safe, secure, and of course it is necessary to say that just a few years ago Damascus was surrounded by terrorists, and now the situation is totally different, and we are very happy about that. Well, yesterday and today we had two meetings with Mr. President Bashar al-Assad. We had two meetings with the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Mikdad, and we discussed a lot of issues on global level, on regional level, and on bilateral level between the Republic of Abkhazia and the Syrian Arab Republic to develop our bilateral relations. On global level, first of all, our nations share aspiration to have more stable, more secure and fair international system. We call it multipolarity, and we want to have a new world to provide our rights, to have more fair, the United Nations, for example, and other global institutions. This is very important for my country, for my nation, and this is very important for the Syrian Arab Republic. Specifically, we had a conversation about special operation of the Russian Federation in Ukraine, and we fully support special operation, because this is like one of the first steps to have multipolarity in the world. So we outlined this fact.